Tucker with the white feet. What are you doing? Hi, Buckley. Katie! Katie! Leave it. Higgly Wigs! Your girlfriends aren't here today, you poor guy. Yeah. You missed them, hi, Tobe? I know. Bruno!
Who are his girlfriends? Josie and Jackie. I don't know if you met them.
Bruno! Hey, baby. Uh-oh. Somebody's causing havoc in there. Oh, magic. Cooper, Calvin, come on. Hi, Jedi. Hi, Jedi. Let's go see where Maple's at. Mapley Maple, what are you doing in there? Are you still kind of snoozing a little? Come on, Elliot! Come on, Elliot! Come on, Elliot! Come on. Elliot, get up! Get up, Elliot! That puppy got you worn out or what, big guy? That puppy got you worn out? Tucker! Tucker, Tucker! Come on. Calvin! Come on. Calvin, come on. Yep, I'm talking to you. Hello, Calvin. Oh, Higgly Wigs, you need some help? You got it? You got it? Why don't you use this side? The stairs might be a little easier for you. Oh, you got a little friend there, Jedi. Careful, she's a tough one.
Pick up for Jedi.
Be just a minute. Calvin.
Calvin.
Toby, why don't you teach him some manners? Why don't you teach him some manners? Yes. Hi. Rudy. All right. You gotta get down because I'm gonna back. There we go. I don't want you to fall. Good boy, Tucker. Good boy.
I'm so upset right now.